Creating an online course can feel overwhelming. In this tutorial, we build a full mini-course using AI. First, we define the course topic and learning outcomes with GPT prompts. Then, we create a module structure: intro, theory, practical demo, assignment. In summary. Next, we write each video script with GPT, ensuring clarity, flow, and strong CTAs for implementation. We design slide decks in Canva using AI design suggestions, adding visuals and infographics from Midjourney. For worksheets, GPT drafts actionable templates and exercises for students. We also create assessment quizzes with GPT-generated multiple-choice and scenario questions. Finally, we build the course in Thinkific or Teachable, set up pricing, create AI-written sales page copy, and plan email sequences for launch. By the end, you'll have a complete course ready to launch, saving weeks of development time.